I've got to clean this kitchen. You can probably see behind me the mess. Yeah, that's got to go. And then this over here, that's got to go too. So I'm going to get to it because I got to get lunch together. And before I can get lunch together, I got to clean that up. I'm not looking forward to it. So, what am I going to do with all this stuff? Where am I going to put it? Much better. That is what a kitchen table is supposed to look like. Okay, maybe the tomatoes don't really need to be there. I cleaned up and lunch got eaten up. And all that is done. It's probably a little bit of a mess again. I'll clean it up eventually, sometime today. In the meantime, Buddy's out here getting into stuff. What kind of trouble are you going to get into today, buddy? What kind of trouble are you going to get into? Come here. Give Mama some pets. Hello. You want to say hi to everybody? You're busy sniffing. Say hello. What you doing? Oh, you being bad. Get down from there. He's trying to get those tomatoes. Oh, no, you can't have them. Come on, let's go inside. It's a little hot. He wants so bad to get in that garden. Do you think there's some more cucumbers? I keep catching him trying to figure out how to get through the fence. He knows I'm watching him, so he's gonna be good. He's trying to find a weak link. What you doing? He sees those tomatoes. Come on, let's go. He sees those tomatoes. He wants a tomato. Oh, it's not like, you'd think we didn't feed this dog. He gets fed very well, and you can tell by looking at him, he's not hurting. Stay. Good boy. Oh, you got the paw going? Good boy. Okay. I'm going to give you this treat. Tell me the Gettysburg Address. Do you know the Gettysburg Address? Tell me.